Hello everyone, today we'll make a normal meal of urban people. The meal consists of deep-fried goby, cabbage soup, grilled eggplant with scallion oil and fruit. To do this, we need spices like garlic and chili, salt, sugar, seasoning powder, fish sauce just enough. And we can't do anything without goby. First, clean the fish. Marinate the fish with little garlic, chili and seasoning. Mix well and leave for about 15 minutes for the fish to absorb the spices. This is a frugal meal rich in vegetables and fruits. We need a cabbage for soup and eggplant for baking. We also have to prepare cooking oil, green onions for frying fish and making scallion oil. The best eggplant is grilled with charcoal stove, but in urban areas it's very difficult for us to do it. So here we use the microwave to bake the eggplant. The taste of course will not be as good, but it's safer and more suitable for living conditions in the city. Wash eggplant, put it in the oven. Turn the temperature knob to 2. Bake for a few minutes until the eggplant is cooked. Put oil in frying pan with garlic and prepare to fry the fish. Garlic more or less depends on each person because some people like the original taste of fish. The others, on the other hand, can stand the fish's smell. Vietnamese people often eat fries on the fish or deep-fried fish dipped in sweet and sour fish sauce. The type of fish commonly used for frying is mackerel, kissing gourami, roast cat, and parrotfish. Recently, goby fish are also fried. In the past, people used to braise gobies. Goby fish are rich in umami, small few bones, firm meat, so when fried is very delicious. After the eggplant is cooked, remove the eggplant from the oven. Peel off the skin with a knife. Then use a spoon to scrape out flesh and remove the skin. The goby is golden crispy. We take it out on a plate and drain the oil. Mix a little seasoning into the eggplant to absorb. Bring the water to a boil and prepare a cabbage soup. Put the washed cabbage in a spot, mix well. Seasoning to taste. Ladle the soup into a bowl, sprinkle some pepper on it. Heat oil in the pan and add chopped scallions to make scallion oil. Put both oil and spring onions in a bowl. No need to cook too long as the spring onions will cook quickly. This dish is very popular in Asian cuisine. The original version of scallion oil is spring onions with pork lard. But today many people didn't like to use animal fat, so replace it with cooking oil. Put the scallion oil on grilled eggplant and mix well. Mix a little sweet and sour chili garlic fish sauce. Pour sweet sour fish sauce over grilled eggplant. Mix well before serving. That's it. We have a simple meal, easy to eat, less meat and more vegetables.